Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Doro 8100 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with making sure that we've got the internet connection, and then we can enter the Play Store. Now let's tap on the circle, which is your account. Of course, you will be able to follow my steps. If you've got your Google account added to the device, you can check our tutorial of how to do it. So let's tap on the circle and tap on Manage Apps and Device. Then tap on Manage, and here tap on Updates Available. And as you can see, in my case, I've got 22 updates, so all we have to do is to mark those which we want to download. Of course, you can mark all of them. If not, just choose specific ones and tap on Update icon in the right upper corner. And right now, your device will download the updates, and after that, they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.